Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own unique ombre flower vase, which you can make from the stuffs which are available at your home. This one is really simple to make and it will be a great addition to your table decor. Alright, let's begin. You will need a bottle or a jar. It can be either glass or plastic, it doesn't really matter. Next, you will need any kind of paint that can be used on glass or plastic. The one I'm using here is chalk paint from the brand Floor. You can go with any color of your choice. Along with the color you have chosen, you will need a white shade as well. This paint has a matte finish. You can go with a glossy finish as well. You can either use acrylic or enamel. To divide your bottles into different segments, you will need a masking tape. And finally, you will need something to mix your colors. I'm using a disposable plate. And also you will need a brush to apply the paint onto the bottle. I'm gonna begin by dividing my bottle into 3 segments using the masking tape. Depending on the size and the scale of your bottle, you can decide on how many divisions you want. Make sure the tape is firmly fixed onto the surface so that you get a clean division. And that's the first division. Similarly, I'm going to add 2 more divisions onto the top. So our first step is done. Now it's time to paint the bottle. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using the steel blue. This is my main shade. Then I will be adding white into the same shade to get a lighter tone of this blue. So let's quickly take out little paint and add that onto the first division. Now for the next section, we need to get a lighter tone of the same blue. For that, I'm mixing a little of white onto the same blue that we applied earlier. I have got a lighter tone of the same blue. Now I'm going to apply that onto the second division. For the next section, we need to get an even more lighter tone of blue. I'm adding some more white into the same shade. And I'm going to apply that onto the third section. So we painted 3 sections, we only have the top one left. I'm starting with the same shade which we made earlier. Apply this lighter tone of blue just at the beginning. Gradually I'll be switching to white and the remaining area I will paint in white. If needed, you can go with the second coat once your first coat is completely dried. Alright, I went in with my second coat as well. Now let's wait for all these to dry. Once the paint has completely dried, peel off the masking tape. And there we have our hand painted ombre flower vase. To decorate, I'm using some dried baby breath flowers.